Hi guys, my mom's on the phone. She's now leaving. Okay, so I've already tried filming this video once and it just obviously didn't work out because I am so bad at trying to be healthy. But I'm actually gonna do it this week and I'm gonna vlog it and blah blah blah. Let's start off this video right. Tip number one, I'll do tips throughout the video. It's to buy healthy food. It's gonna get you motivated, put you in the right headspace, and like make you want to eat healthy because you just spent money on it. So my plan is to have protein shakes and smoothies and then a vegetable dinner mostly. So the first thing I picked up was this Greek yogurt. This is the one I recommend. I've used this kind before. It's a Greek yogurt, non-fat, plain, 16 grams of protein, 0 added sugars, 0 milk fat. I like putting that in smoothies. Sometimes I'll eat it alone. Then I was talking to a friend last night and she recommended fish oil. I don't really know what it does, but people always say take vitamins, so I'm going to start doing that. We'll see how it goes. For my smoothies, I like to put spinach, strawberries, protein powder, and blueberries in them. So I picked up this big bag of frozen blueberries and then these frozen strawberries. My mom buys the mixed kind, but I don't like it all, so I just buy them separately. And then I bought some frozen broccoli, and I think we have cauliflower, so I'm gonna eat cauliflower, broccoli, asparagus, chicken, and then I bought something else I'll show you guys. So that's all that, and then I picked up some more plain granola because I ran out today. So that's all I got from Walmart, and then I'll show you guys what I got from Knox. The almond-based French vanilla creamer. This is only 15 calories. My other one's 30. There's no sugar, no dairy. So, and the Schnucks I go to has these seasoned zucchini stir fry, which I love zucchini stir fry. So I picked up some of that. And then Maggie McDonald always talks about this brand, the Hoy brand. So I'll try this out and I'll let you all know what it is. I got the salty dark chocolate because I love salty stuff. So I'm really excited. My Schnucks is carrying it now. I think it just got sold in Schnucks, so that's cool. And then I picked up some flowers for my mommy. Look at how pretty. I just am such a flower person because I feel like together they look really pretty. But that's all that I got. Let's get healthy, you guys. Oh, I got this coat from Plato's Closet. And this suede number. Isn't it kind of cute? Super stylish. Okay, I'm gonna take a thumbnail.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
Hello, hello, hello. It is now 2:14. I'm done with school. I'm done working out. You guys saw me this morning a little bit. I just made my coffee, tried that coffee creamer. 10 out of 10. Like, it was not bad at all. Then I, for breakfast, had that protein shake. I drank that, like, in the middle of one of my classes, like, during 4th hour. Then I worked out. I showed y'all me running. I did a little bit of core, and then today was just arm day, so I did random arm exercises. Now I'm going to finally go make a smoothie because I'm so hungry. So I'm really excited to have a smoothie. And gonna be honest with you guys, I've already like wanted to like eat normal food, like not normal food, but just like eat food. But I just have to think about my future self and work for what I want in the future. And also know that I'm gonna have a really, really, really good filling dinner. I'm gonna drink my smoothie while doing my homework and then probably cook dinner. Like it should be dinner time by that time because it's already 2:14. I usually eat around 6. And I kind of have a little bit of homework to do, and I'll read a little bit, maybe watch some Dance Moms, because that's my guilty pleasure right now. And yeah, I just have to keep myself accountable and motivated. You got this. Okay, let's go make a smoothie. I've also already drinking 3 of these and 4 equals a gallon, so one more of these and I'll be a gallon of water.
I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone.
Dinner, this literally looks so good. Cauliflower and broccoli seasoned with olive oil, salt and pepper, seasoned salt, plain chicken, olive oil, salt and pepper, asparagus with balsamic vinaigrette and Parmesan cheese, and then the skinny Caesar dressing. So good.
They're basically like a chunky rain boot, but they're in leather, and I
Turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning.
For dinner, I'm just cooking up this like Mexican chicken that my mom has left over from a restaurant in our town. It wasn't the chicken I was gonna use, but I think that the rest of that got thrown out from last night, so oh well. But now I'm just cooking up the rest of the veggies that I made last night that I saved for tonight. So that is dinner.
here are from Orient. They are just such incredible quality, obviously. Fast. I think probably the fat we've really gotten our shit together, and it's shipping. I can't believe I literally saw someone wearing it yesterday. She made it into the redheads. About that, like don't tell anyone. Or like it's embarrassing. I agree with you in that because now I'm just like, oh, like I almost feel like I question everyone's intention.
Like my go-to snack right now, hummus and pretzels. That's all I've been eating today, which is so bad. But my mommy is making pork or something with vegetables, and I'm literally so excited to eat this stuff. On my 4th water, I'm almost done with this. This dinner's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so good. I'm really excited. I didn't have a smoothie today because I slept, which honestly I'm not mad about it because I'm not a fan of the smoothies. It's refreshing and it feels good, and it's like it actually does fill me up, and it just feels so good drinking it. But I just kind of hard to swallow for me. And I'm also done working out after school because I don't have enough energy right after school. So I don't know what the plan is. Maybe come home after school, do homework, and drink my smoothie, and then work out, and then come home and then eat dinner. I think that sounds better because I'll have more energy. Here's my cute mommy. Talk to you guys later.
Every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be
after school, I'm just having a bagel with butter and one side with almond butter because I'm just like so hungry. It's 12:42. I'll probably work out more around like 3, so my food is settled, just because I'm like hungry and I want food that's gonna actually fuel me and I'm not like deprived of energy. Yeah, that's what's happening now. Alright, y'all, done with my workout. It is 5:23. I have literally, like I told you guys yesterday, I woke at home today and then slept again till like 3:30, and I think it's because I'm about to start my period next week and I'm just so tired. It's also that and like a mix of like not eating enough. So, but then I was thinking, it's like I ate that bagel, which is a lot. I know it's not, but like from my past habits, like this week, it is a lot of food. Solid food too. But I think it's just because I'm about to start my period, because I've not been this like lethargic, I think that's the word. If it's not, I'm sorry. And like forever, and it's just so weird. But today I just ran a mile, then I did my glute workout, and then I walked 2 miles just because I was like bored and wanted to watch YouTube videos, and I didn't want to go home and sit in my bed and do that. So that's what I did instead. Now I'm gonna go home. We ate this, like, you guys saw this sort of pork last night, so if there's some left, I'm gonna have that with broccoli and cauliflower. But I'm really hoping we have pulled pork. That with cauliflower and broccoli. Like, I just have this kick to, like, I want to cook, and I feel like I've been on this Julia Havens and Hunter Havens kick and Rachel Rodkey, and they just motivate me to, like, want to eat healthy and not go out. Same with Kenzie Elizabeth. Not really so much Kenzie Elizabeth this week. Kenzie Elizabeth was last week, though. Like, that's all I watched. But this week is really Julia Havens and Gretchen Garrity. Like, I've been listening to Gretchen Garrity's podcast when I work out, and I watched a couple of her YouTube videos while I was walking, and then I watched, finished Maggie's video that I didn't get to finish, and like I obviously love Maggie, but she's been slacking on YouTube. Hate to say it, love her with my whole heart, but she has been. Anyway, I'm off on a tangent. I'm gonna go home, shower, try to see what meat we have to go with my vegetables, and we'll start my day. And someone's looking at me like, why are you talking to yourself? Okay, bye. Little snack before dinner, and I'm in luck. We do have pulled pork. Just wanted to quickly tell you guys how I season my vegetables. I use olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then this seasoned salt. Mix it all up in a bowl. So good. Then I preheat the oven to 400 and cook it for 40 minutes. I'm eating half of it today, and then I put half of it in a small container for tomorrow, possibly.
See things through. So yeah.
Got fries, chocolate milkshake, and a chicken sandwich. Balance, right? We're watching Summer House at Chick-fil-A.
Are you showing me?
Okay, guys, so y'all saw what I ate for breakfast this morning, a bagel, and then for lunch I had Chick-fil-A, which like was not the healthiest. I got a grilled chicken sandwich instead of nuggets, so I guess that's better. But like I mentioned in this video, I'm about to be on my period, so I was kind of craving a chocolate milkshake. That's just my excuse, but whatever. I did almost great this week, better than I've ever done in my entire life, actually. So I'm proud of myself. I'm probably about to eat some food. It's 5:17. I worked out. I didn't like show any clips, but I just did my little walking routine where I walk at the speed of 3.5 for 5 minutes, and then I incline every minute 1. So like at 5 minutes after I go for 5 minutes, I put the incline to 1, so on until incline to 15, because that's the highest incline the treadmill will go, the one I use. So that was my workout for today. Definitely ate over my calorie deficit. So I think that's the end of this video after I show y'all what I eat for dinner. But after I show you guys what I eat, that'll be it. So hope you guys enjoyed. It kind of just was for me to like hold myself accountable. Hopefully y'all got some good dinner ideas and got motivated. So I'll see you guys in next week's video. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with a lot more content. Follow me on Instagram. I'm stepping up my game there. I know I say that all the time, but I actually really, really want to, and I'm going to try so hard. So here's wishful thinking. See you guys later. Bye.